Hello, everybody. We are back to continue to talk about reconstructing Nigeria and Nigerians. And to reconstruct Nigeria, we need to reconstruct Nigerians. And the way to do it, one of the principles is that we must get rid of our get it quick mentality. So the topic of today is our get it quick mentality must be replaced. Nigeria is a country where everybody wants everything quick, fast. So that fast mentality must be replaced. If we want to be a developed country, if we want to be a civilized country, if we want to be a country of virtuous people, we must all agree that this is one of the things that is destroying us. We are a miracle-focused country. We want everything fast. And it is this kind of mentality that leads to corruption. Because if you want everything fast, and it's not coming fast enough, then you are going to be engaged in fraud, deception, and corruption. Nigeria would never become a corrupt-free country until we deal with this wrong value system. It's a faulty, broken value system that we want everything quick, fast. And that is one of the reasons why our country is broken today, why our country is not working. But if we want our country to work, we must begin a campaign, a holistic campaign to change the mindset of our people so that all of us should not keep quiet. It's not just the government that should campaign for this. Every one of us should not keep quiet. We should begin to campaign that the wrong value system in our land must change. So when this campaign becomes a holistic campaign, then we'll be able to say we are fighting against corruption. But until we change the quick fix mentality that all of us have as a nation, we will never be able to overcome the culture of corruption, the culture of robbery, and the culture of theft. Theft, robbery, and corruption will be replaced if we will only, first of all, replace the value system. If we fail to replace this value system of get it quick, instant gratification value system, then if we fail to replace it, then we will keep on experiencing the broken economy, broken society, broken nation, and that we're experiencing right now. But if we will encourage people to reject this, this get it quick mindset, get it quick mentality, then we'll be able to, begin to build a nation, because everybody will be working. And because in place of get it quick mentality, we will cultivate the mentality of hard work. We will cultivate the mentality of patience. We will cultivate the mentality of perseverance. We will cultivate the mentality of, due diligence and following through on the processes. But if we are all quiet and we are just talking in our kitchens and in our, in our kitchens about this in our families, but we are not taking it to the public and we are not making it a conscious effort to replace this mindset, then we are all accomplices. Even if we say we don't have that weakness, that you are not, you are not a get it quick person, but you are an accomplice if you are quiet. If you are not fighting against it, if you are not campaigning against it, then it means that you are also encouraging it. There is no sense in us trying to dream of a developed country, of a developed economy, if we are not battling, if we are not uprooting the mindsets that led us to what we have right now. That mindset of get it quick must be replaced. The mindset of instant gratification must be replaced. The mindset of miracles must be replaced for our nation to thrive and to become a worthy nation in the committee of nations. So all these things that we are talking about, all these vices, they do not contribute to economic development. They rather contribute to economic destruction and socio-economic stagnation of a nation. So if we will replace get it now mentality, get it now mindset in our people, and in the mindset of our people from primary school to university level, to families and to government parastatals and to the media and to our culture, we will see that our growth economic growth and the space of development will accelerate. It is the message that we are exposed to. It is the information that we are exposed to that determines what kind of people we become. If we will replace this get it quick mentality and we will begin to replace it with hard work, values like hard work, processes, due process, productivity, producing goods and services, you will notice that our country will become transformed faster than we could ever imagine. And we could become an example to Africa and to the world at large. So we are losing it as a country because we have lost our values, because we are not there with our value system. But if you get our value systems corrected, if you embrace the right values that lead to development and productivity, you will see that our country will rise up, and we will begin to do researches. We will begin to do, we will begin to do self-education. We will begin to do hard work, and we'll begin to go through processes. We'll begin to go to workplace. We'll begin to go to work rather than going to mountains. We'll begin to, go to research centers rather than going to mosques and churches all the time. We'll begin to do productive activities because we have embraced the values of productivity. As a nation, we lose our workforce to religion. We lose our workforce to instant gratification mindset, to get it quick mindset. On daily basis, people are going to mosque, to church, to go and get it quick. They are going to fraud centers, 419 centers, Yahoo centers, to get it quick. And that is where the people who are supposed to be building industries, working in companies and industries and factories, that is where they are. And that is why we cannot experience growth economically, politically, and that's why we cannot overcome corruption as well. When our value system is damaged, when our value system is corrupt, then we are encouraging corruption in the country as a whole. The pastors are encouraging corruption, the teachers are encouraging corruption, the films and movies that we produce are encouraging corruption, our television programs are encouraging corruption through the mentality of get it quick, get it now mentality. And these people, we need to start with ourselves as parents, as adults, as families. We need to teach our children that this is not the way life works. Life doesn't work by get it quick. Life doesn't work by looking for quick fixes. Life works when we are perseverant, when we are persistent, when we are hardworking, and these values must be, the default value of every Nigerian. But if we leave them in ignorance that, it is only hard work that brings money, that it is only self-development that brings progress, but then they will keep on depending on tithe and offering to become prospered. They will keep on depending on first fruit offering, faith seeds, and prophetic seeds, and all kind of ridiculous deception to live their life. And that's why they will always be going backward, and they will always be wallowing in poverty. So successful countries are successful because they embrace the right values, the values of hard work, the values of dignity of labor, the values of productivity. If we will promote that, rather than all the advertisements of churches and miracles, all the advertisements of come to church tomorrow, today, that we are having, if you give our people the right orientation, you see, there is nothing that will not make our country to develop and grow. The problem is with our value system. If we will keep on, depending on somebody or miracles or men of God or, favor from somewhere, then we will keep on being a backward nation. But if we will take our destiny in our own hands, if everybody will become hardworking, if everybody will become a nation of values, virtues, if we will become a persevering people, a hardworking people, a productive people, then you will see that miracles will be happening all over us. We will be producing our miracles by ourselves. Just like Chinese are doing right now. They are not waiting for miracles. They are just working hard. Just like Japanese are doing. Just like countries of Asia Tiger are doing. They are not craving and looking for people to come and, give them some favor or miracle. They are working hard. And it is this hard work that has brought them to where they are. So, but as long as we are waiting for somebody to come and give us some miracles, to come and help us, to come and, be our destiny helper, we will remain slaves to people. We will remain slaves to men of God. We will remain slaves to churches, to imams, to mosques. We will remain slaves to different kind of people, rather than becoming the people of values, the people of productivity, people of predictable values and predictable destiny that we are supposed to be. We will never become independent economically, socially, politically, and on any way. So we need to set ourselves free from our faulty value systems before we could expect to become a developed, a great nation, and a great people. For the love of God, church, and nation. Peace.